What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So Google introduced Android 13 operating system. What are the changes and the list of smartphones that will receive Android 13 Beta 2? A bet on privacy, security and individuality. The Google I/O Developer Conference kicked off yesterday and the company announced a number of new products, including the mid-budget Pixel 6a and the Pixel Watch smartwatch. Of course, among the new products was a new iteration of the proprietary mobile operating system Android 13. Speaking about the new version of Android, the company said that it has continued to improve the quality and performance of the platform, building on a number of areas that are important for users, such as privacy and security, as well as personalization and work on large display devices. Google says that with Android 13, users have more control over what personal data they are willing to share and will be able to fine-tune control over which files apps can access. Instead of allowing full access to files and media, you now have the option to choose between two new categories: photos and videos and music and audio. The company is also rolling out a new option to be specific about the photos or videos that apps access, instead of having to share your entire media library with the app. With the arrival of Android 13, users will have control over how they interact with apps and notifications, as apps must get permission before sending notifications in Android 13. The company is also reducing the number of apps that require a location. For example, you will no longer need to provide a location to apps to enable Wi-Fi scanning. Among other things, the new version of the green robot will automatically clean up the clipboard history after a short period of time. One of the interesting tools that Android 13 brings with it will be the ability to quick and easily copy a piece of text or image on one device and paste it on another. No messages or emails are required. With Android 13, the company continues to follow the path of unifying the look and feel, offering a range of theme color options and the ability to adopt third-party app icons to a single color scheme. Useful changes include language settings, where users can assign a specific language to each application. After the announcement of Android 13, the company released the second beta version of the firmware, and it can be installed not only by owners of Pixel backgrounds starting with Pixel 4, but also by owners of devices from other companies practicing in the beta testing program: Asus Zenfone 8, Oppo Find N, Oppo Find X5 Pro, Realme GT2 Pro, OnePlus 10 Pro, Sharp Aqua Sense 6, Tecno Common 19 Pro 5G, Vivo X80 Pro, Xiaomi 12, Xiaomi 12 Pro, and ZTE Exon 40 Ultra. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.